Hello everyone. So in this problem, we'll create four types of plots: line chart, scatter plot, histogram, and bar chart. But in the previous programs, when we created, let's say, three plots, what we did was the first plot was displayed, then we closed it, then the second plot opened, then we closed it, then we saw the third plot. In this program, we'll create a subplot. That means we'll get one big plot, one big figure, one big image in which there will be four, because we have to create a 2 by 2 subgrid. So there will be all four of these graphs will be displayed at the same time. So if you want to compare anything or watch something simultaneously, like we are creating a dashboard of sorts. So in that case, this particular concept will be useful. How do we create a grid of plots? How do we create subplots? Okay. So first we'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then we'll just use the data which is given. That is, these are the x values for line chart, and we have the y values for line chart. Okay, so our points are 5 comma 99, 7 comma 86, 8 comma 87, 7 comma 88, and so on. Then for histogram, the data is given. These are the data values given for the histogram, and the bins have to be set to 5, which we will do. Okay, and just to distinguish it from the other data, we'll call it hist data. And for bar chart, the categories have been given as A, B, C, D. Earlier, in one of the previous videos, we had done this for months. Okay, so different months were the different categories, you can say. Okay, and the values. So for four categories, for each category, we have a value. Like for each month, we had some sales. Okay, so value for category A is 5, B is 7, C is 3, D is 8. Like that. Okay, that is for bar chart. So now, firstly, how do we create the subplot? Okay, so for that the function is plt dot subplots, plt dot subplots, and in subplots we first give what is the size of the grid, number of rows, number of columns, and then we give a parameter called as fig size. Now the figure size is actually in inches by default. Okay, so if I say figure size is 10 comma 8. Okay, so the height is 8 and is height is 10 and width is 8. Okay, so now the by default it is in inches, but you can also create it in centimeters. So in that case, you just write something like this: into centimeter and into centimeter. Okay, but we don't want in centimeters. Inches is fine for us. So for the box plot, okay, now this gives us two things. Basically, this returns a tuple, so we'll save it as figure, comma, axis. Figure, comma, axis is equal to this. Now, axis 0, 0, axis 0, 0. Okay, so think of it like a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so first row has the two elements 0, 0, 0, 1. Second row has the elements 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so axis 0, 0 dot plot. So first thing we want is the um, line chart. X and Y values are given, and we'll set the color to blue. Color equal to blue, and we also have to set the title compulsory. So access 0, 0 dot title. You can say set title. Set title. The name of the function here is set title line chart. Okay, then we have 0, 1. Okay, so axis 0, 1. Axis 0, 1 is a scatter plot. So scatter x comma y comma color equal to, let's say, red. And we also have to assign it the title. Okay. So 0, 1 title is scatter plot. Same x and y data is for used for line chart as well as scatter plot. Then for axis 1, 0, we have bar chart. So bar chart, we have the categories given to us, and we have the values given to us, and we'll give it some color. Let's say purple color. Okay, purple. And again, we'll have to set its title. So we'll set its title. Okay, this will be 1, 0. Set title bar chart. And last one is the histogram. So for the histogram, now we have axis 1, 1 dot hist, and in histogram we have the histogram data, and number of bins they had set to 5, and color equal to green. Any color that distinguishes it from the rest. And again we'll set title, basically axis 1, 1 dot set title. This is a histogram. Okay, and we'll show this. So plt dot show. Okay, so this is subplot, 0, 0. This is line chart. 0, 1 scatter plot, 1, 0 bar chart, and 1, 1 is histogram. Okay, so I hope you got the concept. Now we can create this. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.